Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, it's been a little while since I filmed on my Emeril Lagasse 360 air fryer, toaster oven, whatever it is. But I tell you, we're gonna do that tonight. I say it's been a while since I filmed on it. We use this thing all the time, and I've had it, I think, almost 3 years now, and it's still a beast. It's still putting out great cooks. So, guys, let me show you some country style ribs that I picked up here locally, and it's just small tonight. I got about 2.5 pounds. I've done these a lot outside on the grill. I've never done them in the Emeril 360, so this is going to be a treat. I'm really not totally sure what I'm going to be doing here, so we'll figure it out. So guys, come on along and let me show you what I got. Okay, yeah, I got my crisper pan here for the air fryer. I got to set inside another pan just so I don't make too big of a mess. Like I said, this is 2.5 pounds, a little over 2.5 pounds of country style, boneless country style ribs, except they're boneless except for that one little bone right there. I think it's just where they cut it. Left it in there, but it's gonna be all right. I think we'll live. And the only thing I'm gonna season this with right now is just some SPG with butter. I love this stuff, guys. It's from Gillaholics. And there's a link below. You can go to Gillaholics and get this. It'll save you 20% if you will. So that's all. Let's get her seasoned up, and that's all we're going to use. We'll have some barbecue sauce here in a little bit. All right, guys. Let's get this thing fired up and get these guys in there. Get a little space on them there. Get some air in between them. Alright guys, I hope you can see this. This has always been a hard shot for me to get. I went ahead and preset this for 370. I'm on the air fryer setting. Fan will be on the entire time. And I'm going to set it for 20 minutes for now. We're going to change it up here in a little bit. But just to answer a question, a common question I get about this machine is how do I keep it so clean? A lot of those videos where it's so clean and nice is when this thing was new. This thing is, like I said, almost 3 years old. I got the same stains that everyone else has got, and I try to keep it as clean as I can. But yeah, we're just like everybody else now. It's got stains, it's got a few dents and dings, but it still runs like a beast, and we love it. So guys, here we are, 370 for 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and get this started and preheat it. All right, we just hit the warm up air, preheat. Let's get these in here. I'll see you in about 20 minutes. All right, we got this. Our first 20 minutes are in. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and get her on the counter, and let's take this to our next step. Not done yet. I can tell just by looking at it, we're not done. Put it back there just to keep from making too big of a mess. Alright guys, we're gonna come in here. We're gonna switch pans here. I'm just gonna move these over to our baking pan, which comes with the air fryer. I'm gonna check some temps here. I'm just more curious than anything. They're barely gonna fit. And guys, I just want to get some temps on these. They're further along than what I thought. About 130 there. 133. 140, 150 on that. That's a little smaller piece, but yeah. Okay, one thing to note here is that, yeah, you see we're at 130. I got one piece up here. It's already up around the 150 mark. Pork is a safe eating temperature, internal temp of around 145 degrees. If you don't know already, the country style pork rib is cut from the pork shoulder or pork butt. And what do we typically make pulled pork with? You got some pork steaks we can make with that also. So we need to get that tender, and to do that, we're gonna put it in this pan, throw some barbecue sauce on it, and let her braise in this pan on up to about 195 to 200, so we can break down some of that tissue and just make this piece of meat nice and tender. As we can see, this is cooking pretty quick, so I'm gonna try another 20 minutes and see where we're at. We might be done there. I got this Sweet Baby Ray's. This is the hickory and brown sugar. It's great. One of my favorites, to be quite honest with you. So I'm just gonna glaze these on up. I'll brush this in and we'll turn it. I don't care if we have too much. Alright, get these guys turned over. And repeat this process. You guys come in with some foil. If I got enough there. Barely. Alright, let's get this back in the air fryer. I'll slide my tray in here now. My grilling rack, and I'm just gonna slide this on in. Probably have another little preheat series, but that's okay. We're just gonna let her go. I'm gonna go for another 20 minutes and see where we're at. Yes, it's gonna do a little short preheat, but that's okay. We're just gonna let her go. I'll see you in another 20 minutes, guys. All right, guys. Let's see where we are at. Get this out of here without burning ourselves. Alright. Looks amazing. Get some temps in here. God, that's so tender. It's still not. 167, 177. That's not there. Yeah, and over here is still a little tough. Over here, man, that's like butter. That one's still a little tough. I'm gonna give this about another 10 minutes, guys, and I'll see you then. I bet we're done. Guys, I'll go through the same thing. I'm gonna lower this down to, I'm gonna keep the temperature the same. Lower the time down to 10 minutes. Learn how to use this machine, buddy. You've had it 3 years. All right, let's get her going. Probably do another little preheat. That's okay. All right, hopefully this is gonna get us done. Let's get this out of here and we'll check the temps on it. It should be done. I have faith it's gonna be done. I hope. Oops. All right. Guys, would you look at the steam coming off of there? Tell you what, I'm calling this. We're about 180. I wanted that to go a little bit higher. We're getting hungry. Typically, you want that up around the 195 area. We're about about 180. Yeah. A couple of these are there. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it. We're definitely done. All right, guys. That's straight out of a can. I just got some baked beans I thought would go well with this barbecue country style ribs. Guys, gonna come right in there like that. Right in there like that. Alright guys, let's get that just a bit. Get in there, still pretty tender, boys. Still pretty tender. There's a bone in one of these. I don't remember which one. Look at that, there's obviously no smoke ring, but looks very tasty. Let's get a bite of that. All right, guys. It's been a while since I've done a cook on, or a video on the Emeril 360, so I was pretty excited about that. Let's get a bite of that. Very good, guys, very tasty. I can taste that SPG plus butter. Even it's got the barbecue sauce on there. Could have been a little bit more tender, but that one's not bad. That's very edible. It's pretty tender. Typically, you'll go up to like the 195, 200 degree internal range. That'll really make that meat fall apart, but there's nothing wrong with what we did here. It got up to like 180, 185 in places. So that's good for this cook. But yeah, it'd have been better if we went a little bit higher, but that's okay. Very tasty, very good. Guys, again, this SPG plus butter from Gillaholics is delicious, guys. If you're interested in trying this, you don't have to use whatever seasoning you like, but I have a link below to Gillaholics. If you use that link, it should automatically give you 20% off. If it doesn't work, use promo code KEN20 and that will get you the 20%. They got plenty of other items in there too, so check them out, please. As I film this, we're close to Christmas, so I should have another video or two out before the end of the year, but if not, hope y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Guys, as always, thank you for watching the videos. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to us. And hit that bell while you're at it down there. That'll notify you every time we get a new video. So guys, until next time, I will see you on the next video. God bless ya. Bye-bye.